9089 Harbor Wind. 1-car driveway going back to a 2-car garage. No parking on the street, but there is parking along here.
Let's rehash it and see where we're at. You found free admin about farm.
Tile at the entry, gray walls. Obviously there needs to be a lot of blinds added. Everything looks fresh. Paint, flooring, and all of that. Quartz counters.
Okay.
Cute window over there. Quartz counters, subway tile, undermount sink, cabinets look great, stainless steel. Where's the fridge? Oh, sorry. The fridge would go right there. Okay, so obviously there's no pavers or concrete in the back yet. Epoxied garage. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Needs a lot of blinds. Large closet. Everything looks new. Lots of blinds. Oh, little lanai. This is nice. Tile separate from other living areas and right next to the bedrooms. Spacious hallway. I'm sorry that I'm rushing. I'm trying to hit 5 houses before it gets too dark. And everything does look like brand new condition in here. So. Okay, that's the property.